delete the default cube first, because we don't need it. Click on the cube and press the delete key. Now click on Add, Mesh and choose Circle. In the bottom left corner are the circle properties. Open it and change the vertices value to 10. Change the fill type from nothing to triangle fan. You can change the perspective through dragging with your mouse while holding the middle mouse button. Press the Tab key to go into the edit mode. Make sure you use vertex select and select every second point through clicking with your left mouse button while holding the Shift key. Now press the S key to scale your selected points for your star shape. To select everything, press the A key. Now press the E key to extrude the star from your active selection. Select the top and bottom vertices through clicking with your left mouse button while holding the Shift key. Press the S key to scale your selected points and to shape your star even further. Now press the Tab key again to exit the edit mode. Let's rename the circle to Star. Click on the wrench to open the modifier properties, then click on Add Modifier. Choose Bevel to give your star a bit more depth and change the width type to width. Play around with the amount until you are satisfied. Let's add another modifier and choose Subdivision Surface this time. Change the levels to get a more smoother result. Right-click on the star and choose Shade Smooth. Let's change the background color now. Click on the red ball above the orange square to open the world properties. Change the color to a dark blue. Click on the red ball above the chessboard to open the material properties and click on New. Rename your material. Place your mouse at the top left until it changes to a crosshair. Now click and drag to open a new window. Click on the hashtag with the ball to change the editor type from 3D Viewport to Shader Editor, or press the Shift plus F3 keys. Drag this away, we don't need that. Zoom in and select the BSDF to delete it. Click on Add, Search and type in Emission. Click on Emission, connect it with Surface from your material output and change the color to whatever you like. To see how it looks, change the viewport render to rendered. Click on the little camera to open the render properties and activate bloom. Change the strength of your emission to your taste. Now you got a glowing star. Click on the overlapping balls in the top right corner to turn off the overlays, so you can admire your glowing star. I'm going to release more Blender tutorials, so leave a like if that video helped you. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more and comment on what I should do next.